Give me your best ah. Ah is our default sound. We'll spend most of our time working on our ah vowels because the space of the ah is the foundation for making the other vowels beautiful. It comes from the back of the instrument. We want that yawn space on top. We want the larynx relaxed and dropped so that it's not closing everything off in the back of the throat. That's mostly a tension thing. Just make sure your neck is relaxed and the larynx will drop on its own. Give that yawn space and the soft palate will raise. You want that large space in the back. The rest of the vowels are shaped by what happens in the front. So we're going to work on shaping the front while not changing that space in the back. It's very common to hear E, A, ah, O, oo. A dramatic change in the tone as you shift vowels, as opposed to E, A, ah, O, oo. Everything through the same space. A nice consistent tone. E, A, ah, O, oo. Not beautiful. E, A, ah, O, oo. All through the ah space. Go ahead and repeat after me. E, A, ah. I will ask you, because one of the things that is very, very triggering to me is when people make lip smacky sounds before they breathe and before they sing. So I will ask you to get any peanut butter that is in your mouth currently out of your mouth, and please gargle, because I hear a lot of E, A, ah. And if that happens in the concert in between breaths, in between songs, it will be quite upsetting to me. Most of the audience probably won't notice, but I will, and it'll be very upsetting. So I'd appreciate it if you would swallow all peanut butter before rehearsal starts, and make sure that you just relax, open your mouth, instead of smacking it open. E, A, ah. E, A, ah. E, A, ah. E, A, ah. Fingers, push those corners of the lips a little bit forward. If you think fish lips, it helps you a little bit on those brighter vowels. E, A, ah. E, A, ah. Nice and tall space, beautiful. Ah, O, oo. Ah, O, oo. Beautiful, beautiful. We did this work a lot last year, so I'll skip the little question and answer, but your E and your A are tongue vowels. E, A, ah. Say it again. E, A, ah. You feel that the tongue is up on E. It goes down a little bit for A. It drops to the bottom for ah. One more time. E, A, ah. Good. O and oo are lip vowels. Ah, O, oo. O is much closer to oo than it is to ah. The problem is Americans tend to speak a very Americanized O, which is not an O at all. It's this weird kind of strange vowel that comes from the California Valley Top. We have many, many singers here who are Lutherans, which is lovely, and then Minnesotans, which is lovely, because you have that pure Minnesota, oh, don't you know? Oh yeah, sure, oh yeah. It's a beautiful choral tone, yeah, don't you know? Oh sure, that's the sound I want. Can you say Minnesota, don't you know? Oh yeah, sure. That's the sound I want. I don't want Minnesota, don't you know? Minnesota, don't you know? Oh yeah, sure. No. Oh. You feel how much the lips move? Oh. There's like 3 sounds in there. Oh. I want one sound. Oh. 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 Minnesota. Oh, oh, oh. Ah, oh, ooh. Ah, oh, ooh. Yeah, so O and the oo are almost identical. Look at my lips. Ah, oh, ooh. Oh, ooh. Oh, ooh. Oh, ooh. Almost no motion. Oh, ah, lots of motion. So make sure that you're getting that big change down to O, and make sure that your E, ah is an not an a, yeah. You say a, yeah. I don't want that tongue and those lips moving. A, yeah, as opposed to like bed. Very good. Not but nice and tall through the ah space. One more time. Take your fingers and put them behind your earlobes. Feel your jawbone there. If you open up your jaw, you'll feel how they kind of, your fingers slide in between the jawbone there. You get this little gap behind your earlobes. Oh. It's a little bit taller than you actually need to sing, but it's a good mental image to think unhinge your jaw, get this big open space. Oh. I used to think that you actually had to sing with that much height. It's counterproductive to try to actually sing with that space open the whole time. It's too big. But if you imagine that feeling, oh, that open space between the jaw, and keep that the whole time. E-A-R-O-oo. E-A-R-O-oo. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh. I'm going to sing for you. You can keep your hands wherever they're helpful. We want to use everything we just learned today. So we're going to keep our nice tall posture, feet shoulder width apart, bouncy knees,
Hips forward, shoulders back and down, head nice and tall but relaxed. Rib cage open and expanded, breathing from the core, 360 degrees around. Your hands can be there if you want to check in on your breath. Fingers up there if you want to check in on that ring. If you want to have that open space, that loft, that yawn, fingers back here behind the earlobes. Whatever physical checks you want to do, you can do them all rehearsal long. That is your call. I will tell you when I need you to do something. Otherwise, you can use them as much as you want. Ideally, not in a concert. But I mean, if it makes you sound better, then sure. But I may use some of these in the concert as a reminder. If there's a song that we particularly have trouble with breath support, before we start, I will come up, make eye contact, and I might go to remind you to reset your breath there. So if we do these in rehearsal, if you use these as tools, when I use them in concert, you will have that benefit of going back into that mode and having that technique help you. So we're going to learn a quick vowel one, and then we're going to move into our repertoire. Again, it's E, A, A, O, U. Listen to me. E, A, A, O. E, A, A, O, U. E, A, A, O. Your O was very lovely, thank you. Your A had a Y on the end of it. E, A, ya, A, ya. I don't need that Y. E, A, A, O. Don't give me a Y. Better. I hear a couple of altos, maybe one soprano who are still doing the Y in there, so just keep that in your head. Don't do Y. A, not A, ya. Say A, ya.
A, ya.
A, A.
A,
A, ya. I don't want the A, ya, I want A, A. Thank you. E, A, A, O. E, A, A, O. That was my fault. Good job. E, A, A, O. Taller A. E, A, beautiful. E, A, O.